Now that you have a chair, I will show you how to export the model so that you can do other things with it. If you want to export anything into another format, you go up to File, go down to Export. Seems a little self-explanatory, but and you come over to the options. If you want to export as something you want to print, most 3D printers will take STL. And you just press that. It's already labeled as an example chair 1 STL, and click on Export STL. Other ways you can export include, if you want to export to something Second Life can use, you want to use a Collada file, which is a .dae file. If you want to export as just something random, actually, if you want to export as something else that most printers can use, if they can't use STLs, they can almost always use OBJ objects, which apparently is also called a wavefront. Any of those files will work. If you have trouble, sometimes it will actually fix your model to export it into something and then import it back in. But the main purpose here is to either export it to something for Second Life or export it so that you can print it. Thank you.